This tutorial is for first grade, Module 4, Lesson 10. In this lesson, we will continue looking at the greater than, less than symbols and how they're used to compare numbers. The directions say fill in the blank with less than, greater than, or equal to make a true number sentence. And there's a reminder here of what each symbol looks like. When the opening is pointed toward the left, that is the greater than symbol. When the opening is on the right-hand side, that is the less than symbol. So we will show our comparison of these numbers using the correct symbol. Since 27 is greater than 4, I would draw in this symbol. The opening is pointed toward the greater number, and when I read this comparison from left to right, I would read 27 is greater than 4. Moving across to problem B, I have 31 and 28. 31 is the larger number, so we'll write the greater than symbol. 31 is greater than 28. In question C, I'm comparing 10 to 13. 10 is smaller than 13, so I will use the less than symbol. And I would read my statement as 10 is less than 13. Next, I'll compare 13 to 15. 13 is less than 15, so again I will use the less than symbol and read the statement as 13 is less than 15. In question E, I'm comparing 31 to 29. 31 is greater than, so I will use the greater than symbol. 31 is greater than 29. And in problem F, I'm comparing 38 to 18. 38 is the larger number, so I will use the greater than symbol, and I will read my statement as 38 is greater than 18. In the next section, I'll look at the numbers I'm comparing and circle the correct phrase to make a true number sentence, and then I will write the comparison on the lines using the correct symbol as well. For example, in problem A, I'm comparing 36 to 3 tens and 6 ones. Well, 36 has 3 tens and 6 ones, so those two numbers are the same. That's why is equal to was circled. 36 is equal to 3 tens and 6 ones. To write the number statement, I would write 36, and I will use the equal then symbol and write the standard form of the second number. Since 3 tens and 6 ones is the same as 36, I wrote that in standard form. I would read this as 36 is equal to 36. In the next problem, I'm comparing 1 10 and 4 ones to 17. Well, 17 is 1 10 and 7 ones, so it has more ones, making it the greater number. So 1 10 and 4 ones is the smaller number. So reading this from left to right, I would say 1 10 and 4 ones is less than 17. I'll write it in standard form and use the symbol now. 1 10 and 4 ones is 14, and 14 is less than 17. And we have a couple more examples here. I'm comparing 2 tens and 4 ones to 34. Well, 34 has 3 tens and 4 ones, so that's the bigger number. That means the first number is smaller. I would say 2 tens and 4 ones is less than 34. 2 tens and 4 ones is 24 in standard form. It is less than 34 when we read our statement from left to right. And finally, I have 20, and I'm comparing it to 2 tens and 0 ones. Well, the number 20 has 2 tens and 0 ones, so those two are equal. We'll say 20 is equal to 2 tens and 0 ones. And to write my statement, I would say 20 is equal to 20. Since 2 tens and 0 ones in standard form is also 20. And again, we want to read our statements from left to right to make sure that they make sense. 20 is equal to 20.